Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to calibrate the accelerator sensor. These cars have the what's called accelerator sensor that measures how quick you accelerating, how quick you're slowing, how hard you're going on a turn, and that value is used by the ABS control unit, traction control and stability control, just to to monitor how the car is being handled and which direction it's going and things like that. So on the YOUCANIC scanner, go to diagnostics, select your make and model, then go to control modules, go to chassis. Now this is a Mercedes, but path is going to be similar for other makes as long as they support this. Go to electronic stability program. It might say ABS, it might say DSC depending on the make. Go to control unit adaptation, calibration of component acceleration sensor. The car needs to be in the level ground, so press next. Turn off ignition, press next. Switch ignition back on, press next. And calibration was completed successfully. And that's all. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.